Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the A-rated Central High School. I'm Dr. Tamika Robinson, and I am delighted to welcome all of you for our annual open house to give you parents and guardians and families an opportunity to have a glimpse of your student's schedule every day. So please enjoy your time while on campus, visiting all of your students' schedules and classes, and just learning more about the environment, their curriculum that they will be learning, and expectations throughout the school year. So we're excited to have you here tonight. There's so much that we are excited and to celebrate this year, and just really focusing on making sure that we provide the best learning opportunities for our students. So I look forward to seeing all of you around campus. I will be visiting classes. And again, we appreciate your continued support. So please come out and participate in all of our parent events, all of our athletic events, because the students really want to see you there also. So again, I look forward to seeing you around campus this evening. Thank you again for taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time here in Chief Country. And as always, please do not hesitate to contact me should the need arise. Have a great evening.